Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Future Bright video. So today I would like to share you how to hidden or subscriber number. As we see here, subscriber number. So if we want to hidden this, how to do? So let us see. Let's go back to our home page and go to Chrome browser and search here YouTube dashboards. Please don't search YouTube dashboard live, but just search YouTube dashboards. And now we can see here to www.youtube.com, and here we can see studio youtube.com. So please go to in this one. Now here we can see when we scroll down here, please always watch my arrow. Here we can see setting. And here we can see general channel upload driver permission. So here go to channel. And here we can see basic information, inform and advanced setting and future eligibility. So go to advanced. And here we can see audio and audience, and do you want to see your channel as made for kids? Here we can see many things here. So here last we can see this subscriber count. Here what is written, display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So here do disable, and then go to save here. This save. Okay, now let's go back to our YouTube. Now let us check, is there anywhere? So here we can see now subscriber number is not available now. So friend, this is the way how to share how to hidden or subscriber number from our Android phone. So please, if you like this video, make sure you put thumbs up, and please share my video and comment my video for next video.